कर सकते हैं there is nothing wrong about it. Yeah, it is just a comedy act or just for entertainment act. Yeah, there is a hidden message in this movie as well.
There's a big message in this movie, which you will understand when hopefully you do watch the movie. One thing I'll tell you, at least for me, this is not a feminist andolan. This is not a protest. I don't think we are trying to take a societal stand. I think it is about everybody, whether it's a girl, whether it's a boy. Rinku happens to be a girl. It's about love, wanting true love, and being honest and innocent. The one thing Anandji was very clear about is no matter what lines I am saying, including एक बार एक लड़की को दोनों मिल जाएंगे क्या आफत आ जाएगी. There's no insolence in that. There is no entitlement. There is only innocence in the way that she's saying that. And that to me was very interesting. As far as the rest of what you're saying is concerned, I think Anandji should help me out. बताइए Anandji.
But the question is a little bit twisted. I hope I'm not asking any wrong question.
No, you're not asking wrong
Society
question.
must accept the fact if a girl is dating two boys just to choose a right husband, I think that is absolutely fine. But the question arises to why a female is doing that.
Right. If I answer this right now, you will feel that I'm talking about my film, because my film is beyond what you're asking. It looks like this must be the first layer of my film, but in the third layer it is talking something else. So replying to this will be little tough for me in reference to my film. So the only thing I'll say, yes, what she said is right, that it's not about entitlement. It's more than that. It's talking about emotion than कि ये मेरा हक है या मेरी strength है. It's talking about the depth of emotion, which you will only realize when you see the film. But again, coming back to a girl saying कि मेरी life में दो क्यों नहीं हो सकते, it's fine. There is no issue, and I'm not putting it across as कि हमारे देश में ये चीज़ लड़कियों को दबा के रखा गया है. और ये मैं यही बता रहा हूँ, times are changing. You can't differentiate in genders.
This is what I was saying. Time is changing. And it's
जी.
तो आप
आनंद जी बताएं कि आपने अपने शब्दों में यही कहा है कि जो सायरा जी के ऊपर है क्रिएटिविटी है वो हम उनको फेस कर रहे हैं, और उन्होंने भी यही कहा कि शायद उन्होंने कुछ देखा मेरे अंदर तो उसको फिल्म के रूप में लाने की भी कोशिश करी. क्या इसमें क्या बायोग्राफी क्या करते हैं कहीं ना कहीं बात को क्या
नहीं, मैं
और
तब
दूसरा मेरा इसमें ये है कि क्या इस सैंडविच लाइफ में स्वाद किसका सबसे ज़्यादा बेहतर लगेगा?
नहीं, मैं सबसे पहले आपको उसका जवाब दे देता हूँ कि ये जब ये बोलते हैं कि एक डायरेक्टर जब बोलते हैं, जैसे इस केस में अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि मेरे को सारा को देख के लगा कि ये रिंकू, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सारा को मेहनत नहीं करनी थी, सारा रिंकू ही है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. मतलब मैं उल्टा ये कहना चाह रहा था कि ये इस एक्टर में उतना कैलिबर है और उतना टैलेंट है कि ये रिंकू जैसी डेप्थ निभा देगी. तो मैं बिल्कुल मतलब ये अभी भी थोड़ी देर पहले जब सवाल था कि रिंकू और सारा क्या एक जैसे नहीं, बिल्कुल एक जैसे नहीं है, एकदम एक जैसे नहीं है. हाँ, सारा में उतनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ हैं कि रिंकू जैसी लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर निभा पाए, हाँ वो ये कैपेबल है. कौन सा नहीं है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ये 24 के बाद मैं एक बार बात करूंगा, ये बिल्कुल अलग डिश बनेगी सर. ये सैंडविच नहीं.
Sorry.
You got selected for the Forbes, 100 women. You not know?
Did I?
You were selected for the first 100 women for Forbes.
Wow.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
I thought so I was asking a question, so I had to do she has also got an award for the Forbes.
Yes.
Yes. So this movie I'll be heading for an award.
that the time will say when film will come out.
Creating the content like we had, Rock Club Smita Patil, that sort of content.
See,
South से जो
ये सवाल.
आंसर तो है ना.
So that thing, what you said, I am trying to understand what you're saying. We don't decide on that. We make film for our audience. We want them to enjoy. We want to entertain them. in that process, if we get a certain kind of appreciation and then it gets an award, it's a journey towards that. So it's not the target. It's not the target. Tomorrow it happens, very nice. Even if it's not, the first job of ours is to entertain our audience.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you.